Hi, I'm Stefan from NRC. Today I'm going to show you how to install a hose protection line. A hose protection line is a safety device designed to prevent accidents by securing high pressure hoses and stopping them from whipping around if they break. The installation is very easy. You will just need an Allen key and some spanners. First of all, you use the Allen key to open the holder. Then you push the holder a little bit down to open the loop. Next step is you will need a spanner, in my case, to open the connection. I simply unscrew the hose from the manifold and now I bring the loop over the hose. The distance from the beginning of the hose and where I fit the loop should be between 5 and 8 centimeters. So now I push the holder down completely and hold it with my fingers. Grab the Allen key, tight the screw. It's important that the holder cannot move more than this. It should stay away 90 degrees from the hose. The next easy step is take the plate, put it over the screw-in connector and close the nut. Now I take my spanners and close the connection. Before using the hose at full pressure, please do a test. Slowly increase the pressure and look for any leaks or problems. And that's it. You've installed the hose protection line. This simple step can help prevent accidents. I hope you liked this video, and if you have further questions, please contact us. See you next time.